sent a complaint about a Cincinnati police officer and her testimony during the trial.
9 on Your Side reporter TJ Parker breaks it all down for us live tonight downtown. TJ?
And it's been exactly 3 weeks since that second mistrial, and supporters for the DuBose family are now pushing for a third trial, and today they shared their reasonings behind it.
3 weeks later, and still, DuBose family supporters say they believe the second trial for former UC officer Ray Tenzing wasn't a fair one, and they want to see him tried again.
Settling for anything less will be a total miscarriage of justice.
The group of supporters spoke outside of Hamilton County Prosecutor Joe Dieter's office this morning. They believe the judge in the case, Leslie Ghiz, was not the right judge, saying she was biased toward the defense. They believe the jury was biased as well.
I really don't understand why jurors that put on their questionnaire that they believe that one race is more violent than another were allowed to serve. So to me, in that regard, it is unique. We've yet to get a fair trial, and it shouldn't take 3.
Aside from asking for a third trial, they also just filed a complaint against Cincinnati Police Sergeant Shannon Hine and what she said while on the stand.
I thought I was looking at an officer-involved shooting where his actions may be determined to be justified based on the events surrounding the actual shooting.
This testimony clearly surprised the prosecutors, who had spent considerable amount of time trying to offset it through later testimony and closing.
Iris Rowley with the Cincinnati Black United Front wants the Citizens Complaint Authority to look into why Hine said that.
We expect for the Citizens Complaint Authority to treat officers who commit crimes like everybody else, to be treated like everybody else.
Standing together, their hope is to get their message across that justice was not served for Sam DuBose.
Now, Police Chief Elliot Isaac has told us that they will investigate Hines' statement there in court. As for Joe Dieters, we reached out to his office today, and he has not yet announced on his decision on whether or not to retry the case. We're live downtown. I'm TJ Parker, 9 on Your Side.